Hello students, I am Tamanna Parekh. I am an assistant professor at Sona Devi Sethia Girls PG College, Sujangarh. Students, we are going to discuss about your syllabus as prescribed by MGSU. Your first paper is of financial management. There will be 5 units. In unit 1, there is financial management, meaning, scope, importance and limitations, functions of Chief Financial Officer, financial analysis, financial statements, income statement and balance sheet, techniques of financial analysis, then your ratio analysis, advantages, significance and limitations, liquidity ratio, activity ratio and profitability ratio. Unit 2, fund flow analysis, a theoretical aspect of sources and uses of funds, preparation of statement of changes in working capital and statement of sources and uses of funds, cash flow analysis, preparation of cash flow statement, difference between fund flow statement and cash flow statement. Unit 3, financial planning and forecasting, meaning, characteristics, types, importance, limitations and factors affecting financial planning, advantages and tools of financial forecasting. Working capital management, concepts, types, sources, determinants and estimation of working capital, cost volume profit analysis. In Unit 4, there are receivable management, meaning, objectives, importance and functions, inventory management, meaning, objective, importance, factors affecting inventory level and techniques of inventory control, cost of capital, meaning and significance of the concept of the cost of capital for various sources of finance, cost of debt capital, cost of preference share capital, cost of equity share capital, cost of retained earnings, weighted average cost of capital. Now in your last unit, capital bursting is there, meaning, definition, process and factors affecting capital bursting evaluation technique under certainty and uncertainty, dividend policy, meaning, forms of dividend and dividend policy, essentials of sound dividend policy, factors affecting dividend policy, dividend models and their relevance. Books recommended are as follows. You can take a screenshot of it. Then there is your second paper, banking and financial system. Unit 1, money, meaning, functions, rule, type of money, monetary standard, methods of note issue, alternative measures to money supply in India, value of money, quantity, theory of money, Fisher, Cambridge and Keynes approach. Money market in India, meaning and importance of money market, structure, constituents, instruments, characteristics, defects and recent trends in Indian money market, devaluation of money, inflation and deflation. In second unit, financial system and intermediaries, meaning, importance and main components of financial system, types, working, process and functions of financial intermediary institutions in India, capital market in India, meaning and significance of capital market, structure, functions, main instruments and recent trends in Indian capital market. Unit 3, credit creation by bank, credit creation process, determination of money supply and total bank credit, monetary policy and techniques of credit control, fiscal policy. Interest rates, various rates in India with bond rate, bill rate, deposit rates, etc. Administered rates and market determined rates, sources of difference in rates of interest, e-banking, meaning of core and internet banking scope, operations, importance, methods, risk and precautions in internet banking, mobile banking, retail banking, e-payment, ATM, online shopping, NEFT, RTGS, electronic clearing system, cashless economy, meaning, need, scope, importance, and challenges in present Indian economy, electronic data interchange, introduction, basics, standards, advantages, future, financial EDI. Now, in your last unit, institutional credit, problems and policies of allocation of institutional credit, problems between the government and the commercial sector, intersectoral and interregional problems, problems between large and small borrowers, banking reforms, operation of conflicting pressure before and after bank nationalization in 1969, banking and financial system reforms, RBI functions, credit policy in present setting and its limitation. And the books recommended for the second paper are as follows. You can take a screenshot of it. Thank you.